Is installing an EV charger at home worth it? Here's what an expert says, thinking about installing an EV charger at home. Let's dive into why it's a game changer for you. I've been hearing a lot about home EV chargers. But, how much is it going to cost to install one? Good question. The cost to install an EV charger at home typically depends on your home's setup and the type of charger you choose. The best home EV charger depends on your car's charging capacity and your preferences, whether you want something fast, reliable, or even smart. Vehicle-to-home and bidirectional EV charging let your car power your home during outages, keeping your lights and fridge running when the grid is down. That's awesome. So not only does it save money on gas, but it could also provide backup power. Switch to a home EV charger in 2025, save money, gain control, and future-proof your home. Learn more about EV chargers at home and how you can get started today.